Hey y'all, it's StylesbyReeRachelle here with another Monday motivational. So today is going to be a little bit different than what I did previously. Usually I just be talking, but today we are going to be talking while installing one of my units that I have available. And if y'all want to check out any of my units, go to www.StylesbyReeRachelle.com. The unit I'm going to be installing is, let me get a drum roll please. Boom. Whatever. Okay, it's gonna be the Sabrina unit. So the Sabrina unit is a curly unit, and I just wanted to just rock something cute for this week. Start my week off, you know, looking cute and feeling cute. So this is what we're about to be installing today. All right, so y'all know me, I don't do no braid downs because my hair is, you know, thin and curly. But for the girls that do not have this texture of hair, you can also get like braids, or, you know, braid it down or swoop it back in a ponytail if you're feeling lazy like I am. Okay, so we're gonna start off with just basically like the glue. Got to be glue, and I use this just as some type of form of gel just to pull my hair back so that, you know, all of my hair will be away from my face. And due to my wig being a little bit curly, I am going to just leave a little bit of my edges out, you know, just to make sure that, you know, it's giving that, you know, natural look as well. And I'm also going to just leave them out on both sides. So today's Monday motivational is just gonna be really like off of the head because y'all, I have experienced so much within the last week, and I just want to say that I'm grateful to be here. That's all I have to say, and just taking stuff by a grain of salt. And this Monday motivational is gonna be geared to being grateful and being, you know, more present. So I'm gonna try to do both of these, y'all. It's gonna be different because y'all know I always just be talking. I'm about to really multitask today. So it's gonna be basically just being grateful and being present in the moment, and not, you know, not being ungrateful. So recently I got in a car accident, and it was most definitely traumatic because I didn't know how everything was going to end up. I feel like whenever you go through something like that, it's like awakening, and you start to wake up in certain areas that you have not woke up in. So previously, before my car accident, I was going through some stuff as far as like wondering what to do, how to do stuff, and just always being in my head. And because I was always in my head, I guess that kind of made it to the point of stopping the flow of what God might have for me. So I feel like the car accident most definitely opened my eyes up to, you know, being grateful, being present. Hold on, y'all. Who is this calling me from a wireless phone number? I don't know. They want anything, they're gonna have to leave a voice message. But anyway, so the car accident basically woke my eyes up to being more present and being more grateful for what I do have, so that when I'm able and in a different predicament, in a different situation, I'll be even more grateful, because that's what it's about, y'all. So a lot of people are talking about manifesting and becoming, you know, somebody and having things, and, you know, they're not appreciating the things that they have right now. So that was most definitely like a wake-up call. Like, appreciate what you have right now, appreciate your life, and, you know, do everything with a smile, no matter what circumstance or what you're going through in life. So that's my Monday motivational for today. I want everybody to just, you know, be a little bit grateful for what they have and move forward. So I feel like, you know, when you're grateful, things start to go in your favor. You know, being positive out of the situation. Because y'all, my car is at a total loss, but I'm totally present. I'm here right now. You know, so it's material things that people are trying to manifest, and things, you know, that they wish they had more of, and you know, that's what they want to manifest. But I don't think it's most of manifesting things. I think it's most of manifesting your higher self and being more stronger and spiritually, so that when you are amongst the things that God is going to give you, you're going to be, you know, one of those people that can give back, or be humble, or always stay grateful, so that you can always receive. Monday motivational, I'm gonna just keep on saying this for the girls. I feel like, you know, y'all are with me. Last Monday motivational, well, 2 Monday motivations ago, we skipped one, and we're on here, and the reason why we skipped one, because y'all know your girl was recovering, was being a woman of power. So, you know, I think just everything ties in together with everything. Being a woman of power, which is basically knowing yourself and knowing who you have to become, or who you are, so that you can get through life and navigate through life in a different way. And another notch on my belt is just basically being grateful, being happy, and understanding that, you know, life is a gift. It's a gift, so it's like you got to take it by a grain of salt every day, like, so that you can move forward. So 3 things that I'm going to take on to you guys. I'm going to stop talking after this, because we're going to get to this wig install. 3 things that I want you guys to do as assignment is, hold on, let me try my scissors. Y'all, don't you hate when you just lose stuff? Just lose stuff. Okay, I found it. 3 assignments I want you guys to do is just take a, you know, look back and sit back and write down 3 things that you're grateful for. And whenever you're going through anything, I want you to remember those 3 things that you're grateful for. And to just remind you never to go into that overthinking, never go into worrying about your situation, never go into, oh, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, you know, because there's a lot of people that's not alive to do those things. So that's one assignment that I want you guys to do. Through my experience. Hold on, wait, y'all. I know y'all can't hear me because it's blow dryer. It's just basically analyze and know yourself more. Understand that you do have a gift and a purpose for this world, and get out and go show your purpose, reveal your purpose a little bit more. Because after that happened to me, y'all, I was just like, you know, it's time to turn up. It's time to really turn up, because just imagine if I was not able to be here. So much things that I wanted to do and things that I want to do in life would have just been just something that I wanted to do. So it's really just an eye-opener for me, and as you as well, to turn up on your dreams. Whatever you need, God already knows what you want. He knows your heart, so he's gonna make it happen without you even worrying and without you even overthinking situations. It's already there. So being in a grateful mode, being in a happy, positive mode is gonna attract everything positive and things that God has for you. You cannot be operating in negativity or operating in anything that's not of God, because you will not get what he has for you. So that's second assignment. I think them 2 is real good, y'all. I think them 2 is real good for the girls that, you know, want to do some things and got, you know, the plans going, and y'all wondering what the hell to do. I think that's good 2 assignments that I have for you guys for this Monday motivational. Just be thankful and grateful for life. That's it. apply my lace, it starts a whole case. Who are you talking to?
This is mine.
I'm waiting on her to finish this video.
Who think she is?
Oh, you walking through though? You need to calm her down though. I'll see you very shortly. I'll find you when I'm down the street. Stop whining. Go get a popsicle or something.
Eating.
Okay, well, just be patient. I'll see you shortly. Bye. She got some nerve.
Don't she know?
That's right for school.
Oh, that's so bougie of her. So bougie of her. Sure, I could love you wearing my hair like this.